Here we are today in southern Manitoba in a soybean field, looking at a common problem that has happened across the prairies, and that's frost has occurred and has really damaged a lot of plants and a lot of fields. In my hand is a soybean plant that has been affected by frost, and you can see how small the leaf is, how wilted the leaf is, and how chlorotic it is. But most importantly, the plant's still alive. So how do we take this plant and overcome the stress and get it growing so it looks like this soybean plant that has not been affected by frost? From a nutrition point of view, there's a lot of variables that come into play to really take this plant and make it into this plant. Key nutrient that really helps to recover this plant is nutrients such as potassium. Why potassium? Because this plant that's been under frost has stopped acquiring water from the soil system. So nutrient like potassium helps that plant acquire the water from the soil system and pump it up to the new leaves so you don't get this wilting effect. Other nutrients that are critical to drive rooting are phosphorus and zinc. And then we want to make good plant material, and we want to make good roots. And this is where nutrients like calcium and boron come into play. So that's very complicated. But what we do at ATP is we take all those nutrients, we roll them up into a product to help address this stress situation. In this case, it would be relief. Because it's soybeans, we would pick relief soybeans. But if we were growing canola, it would be relief canola. And so on for the other crops. So in this case here, what we want to do is we want to put on relief that has the key nutrients such as phosphorus, potassium, zinc, boron in it to help drive rooting, move the nutrients in the plant, good cell wall integrity, and then to help in that efficiency in both uptake and nutrient mobility, we add the transit technology to it. And so by adding the transit technology, it helps make the plants more efficient and more effective. At the end of the day, we're going to try to get closer to the genetic potential of the plant. So when do you put on relief? Put it on with your herbicide. Probably in about 7 to 10 days in this field, we're going to be putting on your herbicide. Add relief to the tank, 1 liter an acre. It'll help alleviate some of the stress, drive rooting, help that plant recover, let it get closer to its genetic potential. Thank you.